these are going to be certifications that don't look at just one area. They don't look at just VOCs. They look at multiple environmental attributes of a product. We're going to look at SCS, Cradle to Cradle, SMART, Green Seal, Eco Logo, BIFMA, and NSF 140 2007. The first one is Cradle to Cradle, and this is the book that was published back in the early 2000s by Michael McDonough. And essentially, the concept for this is that all waste becomes food. So anytime you have a product, the goal is to manufacture that product with materials that can then be turned into waste and help close that loop for manufacturing. So lots of manufacturers are actually using the cradle-to-cradle protocol to manufacture their products. So they look at the chemical compound of that product. They look at what happens at the end of the life of that product. Can it be recycled? Can it be made into another product? Or can it be composted into the land and basically become a food nutrient from a natural nature standpoint? Cradle to cradle is very common in a lot of your environmental fabrics. Cradle to cradle is there are a couple of manufacturers that manufacture all their carpets based on the cradle to cradle protocol. There are lots of furniture products, commercial furniture products that are cradle to cradle. And again, within the LEED rating system, cradle to cradle can actually achieve an innovation credit based on a combination of these different products to meet a minimum threshold from a dollar value. So I have achieved this on numerous projects. It also has been sort of, for me, an evaluation standard because I really believe in cradle to cradle, and I think that from an environmental standpoint, it's a great way to look at a furniture system from the standpoint of what happens to it after it's useful, what happens after its useful life. You know, I want to make sure that that furniture doesn't just go into the landfill and become another, mess. I want to know that each of the parts can be either recycled or composted into nature. The next one is SCS. SCS actually looks at several different areas of certification.